Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Mohan M. Ghosh and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. The video I brought for you today is about Naomi Dixon, the CEO of Jewish Women's Aid. She has made a significant contribution to women's health, both physical and psychological, by crusading against the exploitation and abuse of women. But before we go on to the video, let me share with you few details about the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. We started this channel in May 2020 in view of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Our mission is to ensure that the present and future generations live by the eternal human principles and respect the principles such as integrity, honesty, respect for the elderly, kindness, humanity. These principles, when honored, are sure to lead to long-term success. Please join our mission by not only subscribing to the channel and liking our videos, but also sharing these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to live by these eternal human principles. Coming back to our inspirational woman, I am talking about Naomi Dixon. She, as I shared earlier with you, is the CEO of Jewish Women's Aid since 2014. She has been with the organization now for over 18 years as a volunteer. She has ensured significant growth in the organization, professionalization of the organization, professionalization of the front line, to ensure they are better equipped to handle the problems of Jewish women who are facing domestic violence. She's also expanded the services of the organization to include sexual exploitation cases. The education program about consent and healthy relationships has been launched by her at multiple schools and colleges to ensure that mental and physical health of women are taken care of. She also, as an offshoot, expanded the activities of the Jewish Women's Aid to include rabbis, religious leaders and community leaders so that they are better equipped to handle cases of domestic abuse in Jewish women. She is a trustee of Women's Aid Federation in England and also the founder of Faiths Against Domestic Abuse Coalition. She is a fellow of Cambridge University's Senior Faith Leadership Program. She was named BBC's Global List of 100 Inspirational and Influential Women in 2020. Friends, Naomi Dixon is doing a lot for abused women. She is making a difference to thousands of lives, especially Jewish women. And the difference she is making helps change the lives of the children of the women that she is supporting. Friends, I am sure you like these inspirational videos which I bring for each one of you on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I request you once again to not only subscribe to the channel but also like the videos and share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to live by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Do stay safe. Good luck. All the best.